The flying squirrel, the animal that flies without wings. What if a squirrel could fly? Meet the flying squirrel. Despite its name, the flying squirrel doesn't actually fly, it glides. A special flap of skin between its front and back legs acts like a parachute, allowing it to glide distances of over 300 feet, 90 meters. These nocturnal animals use their huge eyes to see in the dark and avoid predators. When landing, they use their fluffy tails like rudders to steer through the air with amazing accuracy. Glides through the forest, active at night, expert aerial navigator. The flying squirrel turns every tree into its own personal runway. Follow for more amazing animal facts.